If you want to become a data scientist, you need to know how to visualize the data. Today, I'm going to show you 4 different methods that every data scientist can use for data visualization by simply using and importing 2 Python libraries. First, seaborn and second, matplotlib. We are going to use JupyterLab here for our outputs to look better. And in our first cell, we are importing our libraries. And we just make some adjustments here by using pandas set option function to make our outputs look better. Okay, and we need a data set. So we are going to use the Titanic data set from seaborn library. Let's create a data frame and just look this data frame and analyze the variables. So we have a sex variable that represents the gender. We have male and female as an observation unit. And we have an age variable which represents the age of our passengers in the Titanic. As you can see here, sex variable is a categorical variable and the age is numerical variable. For data visualization, we just separate the variables numerical and categorical, and we have different approach to them. To visualize the categorical variables, we use bar in matplotlib, or we can use countplot in seaborn. So let's use both of them and see the differences. To make a bar in matplotlib, we use this code. Look at the graphics that we have here. It looks like okay, but when we use seaborn countplot, it looks much better. So we have different colors and we just type only 2-line code. We have to set the X label here, which is sex, and the Y label here. So we need to type more code. But seaborn is more advanced library and it allows us to just make more job with simple codes. So if we want to visualize the numerical variables, we are going to use histogram in matplotlib, or we could use boxplot in seaborn. So let's take a look at differences. For histograms, we are going to use plt.hist function. And we need to adjust some arguments here. And we are going to have X label and Y label. Let's just make the graph. As you can see, we have a cool graph. Yeah, but we need to type a bunch of code here. But in seaborn, so we need to have only one code, and it just shows the same information for us, even in a better way. So we can just take a look at the outliers here, and we can just look at the distribution of the variable in a better way. As a result, we could clearly see that seaborn is more advanced library compared to the matplotlib in data visualization.